Hi, I welcome you all in this new video. In this video, you will learn how we can calculate beta in Excel. So let's start. First of all, there are various sites from where you can get the data, but the site that I prefer is Yahoo Finance India. So here, first of all, here you once you open the site, you will find here the codes are there. Just click on Nifty, and this will come. And here I have in order to fetch data, click on historical data and it will come in this way. And here you can take the daily data, weekly data or monthly data, whatever the data you want to have into on which you want to do beta analysis. It is preferred that you should take the monthly data. So let's click on monthly. And second, what we want to take for 1 day, 5 day, this is a historical data, different time frame which are mentioned, but I am taking for 5 years because it is stated that 5 years data should be taken, 4 to 5 years roughly data should be taken to find out a stable beta. So next we have to do apply, and after doing apply, go for download. And once you go for download, the data that you have downloaded is already here, and here once you open it, it will be a CSV comma separated value file. And now come back. In the similar manner, you can take the data for the company for which you want to calculate beta. I want to calculate it for TCS, so just by pressing here, it will give me the companies with TCS various symbols, but I want Tata Consultancy Services. So by clicking it here, it has taken me to the desired destination, and here it is already checked monthly and price. Yes, it is, but still I prefer that we should do it. And click here, done, then apply, and then download. And here it will show that the data is already downloaded here. So once you have done this, take them into your Excel file. So here is the data. This is the data. This is the stock prices for the TCS and then for the National Stock Exchange. So what is required to us? We should take adjusted close. So I am deleting other things, and volume is not required at this moment. So this is TCS close, adjusted close price. And then in the similar manner, what I will do, I will take simply adjusted close. You know, if you have seen my shortcut videos, Excel tips, then here just use shift control and down key arrow to select the entire data, control C, and then switch on to that side, that particular sheet where you want to take data, and here do control V, and here the data is there. Just write here NSE. So here we have an TCS and NSE data. What we have to do next? Next we have to calculate the return. So let's do return on TCS and then return on NSE. So that we have to calculate. How to calculate? Today's price minus yesterday price. So this is the today price and yesterday price and minus 1. It will give you the value, or you can do multiply, you can take into percentage, but on calculating the beta hardly it matters. So just you take it to the right, and this has applied, the formula is copied. Just double click here and we have done series. Just inspect the series and go to the end. At the last it is 0. Why it is 0? Because there is no other values to calculate this value, so delete it. So let's move on to beginning, and now we will calculate the beta. There are 3 ways to calculate beta, and we will discuss one by one them. So by taking the covariance function, here it says array 1, this is a return on first array, comma Control backspace and then take this, Control Shift down key arrow to select the entire thing. Close. Here it should be comma, and then divide by variance. So variance is to be taken, and what is the number? The number is this number. Close, enter. So this is the beta. So this is the first method to calculate the beta. If you want to see what formula is used for that, use this one, formula text, and we want to see this. So here the covariance divided by the variance of the cell. So this is what we have taken. And now the second, the most simplest method, just use, if you have seen my previous videos how to do regression, beta is nothing but it is the regression or the slope that we are finding out. So known x is the return on the TCS being a dependent variable, and then independent variable, that is the market, because we are checking it with the market, and market in this case is our NSE. So here if I hit enter, it is giving me the same value. So let's see, let's copy this formula. So what formula we have applied this time? It is a slope function. And there is third method, how to do so. That is simple. We need to run an regression. Go to data analysis tool, and how to activate, you can watch my video, I button is there, and there you can see how to do so. And here regression is there, click it. So what is the data? This is the data that we have to take. And then known x, these are x basically. And then, and where you want to take your results, just click, select the desired cell, and this is a cell where I want my results to appear, and press OK. So here is the results. Now you can see that we have done it with the help of three methods. And what are those three methods? First method is, which is in finance literature, that is by taking the covariance and variance, the answer remains same, 0.63, and slope function, same results, and then this is the beta. So these are the three methods to calculate beta.
फिर हाजिर होंगे नए विषयों के साथ, तब तक देखते रहें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। नए वीडियो की जानकारी की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाइए।